Hello YouTube, my name is Dimas. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I want to show you my new Nikon D7500, which was gifted to me by Nescafe Nigeria. So I recently won a promo which was being held by Nescafe Nigeria, and I was actually lucky to be gifted the gift of a Nikon D7500, which I think is a very good camera. So thank you to Nescafe Nigeria if you are watching this. I really appreciate. Do an unboxing of the Nikon D7500 and show you what it's like. Let's jump right into the video, and please, before we jump right into the video, kindly hit like and subscribe. Hit like and subscribe if you like the video, and also you can tell me on ways to improve. I recently started my YouTube channel, so I'm looking to grow my YouTube channel. I'm open to suggestions, so kindly comment down below on things you think I should do, and we learn every day. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do have a great day.